Today we are working on a Whirlpool Cabrio washer, which keeps on filling up the tub with water over time. As you can see, a continuous drip. This is caused by the water inlet valve not closing all the way. Make sure to unplug. Turn water off. Remove water hoses from washer. Now let's remove back panel. Gently slide panel backwards and place in a safe place. This is the cold water inlet valve. To access the water inlet valve, we will have to remove the display panel. Using something flat or even a strong old credit card will work to press clips under the panel to release. Now slide panel forward and flip over. Remove the water pressure hose so you can lay the panel over all the way. Just don't forget to put it back on when you are done. Remove the 2/4 bit screws to remove valve. Pull up to remove valve from dispenser. Sometimes removing the wiring harness from the valve can be hard to remove. If so, bend the connection upwards and use a flathead to pry off. To install new water inlet valve, just place over the 2 open holes and press gaskets that are on the valve down into dispenser, then reinstall the 2/4 bit screws to hold. Reinstall wiring harness. Now to install the display panel, you have to install both plastic clips under housing first. Then press down the front of the display to install metal clips. Don't forget to install water pressure tube. Install the back display panel using the 1/4 bit screws. Reinstall the water hose to the valve. Make sure you hand tighten first before you use pliers to tighten all the way. Let plug in washer, and make sure your drain hose is placed back into wall. Turn back on water so we can make sure the washer is not dripping water anymore. Thank you for watching Online Appliance Tech. Please don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks again for your support. And don't forget to leave any questions in the comments below.